Hello everyone, this is Zachariah. I'm here to present online water billing system project. Firstly, I have to define my agendas: problem definition, scope, cost of estimation model, Gantt chart, requirements analysis, risk, architecture, functionality, human interface design, screen images, and testing. Problem definition. The primary problem with the current system is that it is not systematized, which led to disadvantaged customer service. List of more problems. A control of customer facts is a challenge. A present system is not protected, and its safety has been meeting halfway in a combined time, led to less of money and valid data. Scope. Primarily, the possible applies to water billing system structures for creation of billing plans concise. Each essence of the personalities, company, the participants, and the bid, which led to the online billing circulation and distribution of billing attire. It has been constructed that the system to provide will be a water billing system that will permit clients to register online, view bills online, update bill online, and also pay bills online. Cost estimation model. This is normally recurring cost and non-recurring cost. Gantt chart. This is an illustration of start and finish of days of a terminal, Gantt chart elements, and summary elements of a project. Requirements analysis. It involves the frequent communication with system users to determine specific user expectations. Specific requirements. A self-configured billing. Deliver complete billing details. Provide browsing choices on billing details. Offer a search capability. Sustain consumer profile. Offer a tailored profile. Deliver consumer support, and finally email endorsement. In addition to analysis, we have a complete invoice for consumer, permit numerous payment procedures, backend inner computer, data transfer, and design constraints. Risk. A strategic identification, assessment, provision of risk as effect of uncertainty on objectives. Elements of risk. Risk identification, risk responsibility, risk assessment, risk response, and risk mitigation. System architecture. A conceptual model that defines the structure and more views of the system. It is a formal description and representation of system organized in a way that supports reasoning about the structure of the system. It can comprise system components, the external visible properties of the components, data flow diagram, and the ERP component relationship, e.g. behavior between them. It can provide a plan from which a product can be procured and system development that will work together to provide the system the overall system. Components of the system architecture: data flow diagram, ERD, which is the entity relational diagram, components of the operation, the owner, operational administrator. The control flow diagram. It describes the start and the end of the system, which start from the member login or sign in. If not a member, sign up. If a member, login, fill in the billing items, save the billing history, and print the billing report. Use case. It's a list of steps typically defining interaction between a role. For example, customer use case, customer logs in, update the billing information, save the billing information, print the billing information, and finally log out. Administrator use case: perform the login and the actions: delete, update, and edit. Finally log out. System functionality: the functionality of the project is divided among the users and administrators of online water billing system. User functionality and the administrator functionality. User functionality: new registration, edit personal details, login, logout, update bills, make queries, print bill history, view bills. Administrator functionality: login and logout, add, delete, modify customer information, add, delete, modify billing information, add, delete, modify user information, cancellation of billing, make penalties, modify details of the web pages. In software engineering, the software maintenance is the process of enhancing and optimizing deployed software as well as remedying defects. Flawless deployment of software into the field. The software maintenance phases involve changes in the software in order to correct the defects and deficiencies from during the field. Usage as well as additions of new functionality to improve the software usability and the appreciability. Screen images: the login, the registration form, customer billing. Earlier, the programs tested. The program must be open to errors, logic errors, and an analysis program. Test accomplishments of the system online billing system appreciable include the whole menu of the program, process application, and prepare reports. The tests are known as white and black box testing. In conclusion, the project's goal is to come up with an online billing system with the aim to meet the requirements specification. The system documents include screenshots which will make sure that the system and definition is fully met. The project enhances the developer's project administration skills. Thank you.